So hey guys, for today I'm going to show you how you can get free 1 GB on MTN. So just follow the steps which I'm going to tell you and you'll get it. I mean just in just 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes. But stick the video so that I can give you more tips of getting even more data or MBs on MTN Uganda. So the first thing you have to first do, come in your Google Play Store and search for my MTN app. You're going to download this app, and it should be your first time to download it or to use it. If it is not, then you just leave because it will not work for you. It is an app that should be, but don't worry, I still have. I say just stick the video. This one will give you 500 and then another. Then I open like that my MTN app. So what you have to do, you have to install it or download it. Then after downloading it, will install itself. The phone will work on it. Then after that, this one works everywhere, as long as almost, I think, even in South Africa or even in more countries. Yeah, it works. I think even in Tanzania, Kenya. So then after that, you open it as you can see. And after it will initiate, after doing that, it will give you directives that you already have been given what free 500 MBs. But in order for you to get that free 500 MBs, what you have to first do, you have to *131*4# hash. We click that one like that, then immediately that you'll get your free 500 MBs. So again, then I will show you how you can get another free 500 MBs so that it can make up 1 GB as I had told you. So for this time, look for MTN Plus, MTN Pulse, not Plus, MTN Plus. So it looks like this. It looks like something like this. What you have to do, you have to first download it and then after install. And even this one is the same. It should be a first time to download it. It should be a first time download it. So if you download it when it's not your first time, it will not work for you. So then after you open it, after it should be a first time. I'm saying it again. You open it, to look something like this. So then after like this, immediately, I think on sale it looks like. After open, if it is your first time, it will show you that you have been given free 500 MBs. So what do you have to do after that? You have to follow the steps again as I showed you the other time. *131*4# again. In order, they can give you that data, but in order for you to activate it, you just need to dial those numbers on the keyboard and then after initiate in your MTN mobile number which you want that it can get the free 1 GB or the free 500 MBs. That is the way of activating it. So I think guys, I think I fulfilled what I had promised you. So after that, so if you feel that you want to get more, you look for my MTN app here. What you have to do after that, you refer people. You can refer more people and get what? You can refer more people and get more data. Each person you refer, you get 200 MBs. And if you refer a person, another person, you get 200 MBs. And for the new person gets 500 MBs as you have got yours right now. So thank you guys for watching the video. I hope I can see you next time. That is what I had for you. If you feel this video was important to you, so please, it would be good, or I would be happy if you subscribe, and it would motivate me a lot. And you can try to check on the links in the description below so that they can help you. There are some good sites which you can use and some good income. So guys, thank you. See you next time.